The iPhone 17 Pro Max. Apple's bold leap forward. The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just a typical annual upgrade, it's a milestone. As we move through 2025, excitement is building around what Apple has in store. From leaks to industry chatter, it's clear this release is about more than performance tweaks. Apple is poised to shift its vision for mobile technology. The iPhone 17 lineup will include for models the base iPhone 17, the more powerful iPhone 17 Pro, the top-tier iPhone 17 Pro Max, and an all-new entry iPhone 17 Air. Each brings something unique, but here we're zeroing in on the flagship, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's Apple's most advanced and premium phone to date, and it marks the beginning of a new design era. A fresh look, a futuristic feel. One of the standout changes is a completely reimagined rear camera layout. Apple is ditching the familiar vertical stack for a sleek, horizontal triangular arrangement. This echoes past models like the iPhone 11 Pro but feels entirely new. All three lenses, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, now sport 48-megapixel sensors, providing greater detail and image quality across the board. The revamped camera bump isn't just for style. Its larger size allows for improved sensors, better heat management, and greater light intake, delivering stunning clarity even in dim conditions. The LiDAR scanner and flash have also been shifted to optimize space and thermal balance. The result is a rear camera setup that feels like part of a futuristic toolkit, not just a camera system. Blazing speed and smarter performance. Under the hood is Apple's next-generation chip, the A19 Bionic. Built on a cutting-edge 2nm process from TSMC, it offers a substantial leap over last year's A18. According to early reports, users can expect around 20% faster CPU performance and a 30% jump in GPU capabilities, huge gains for power users, gamers, and creatives alike. But the real evolution lies in intelligence. The new neural engine is specifically tuned for Apple's on-device AI platform, known as Apple Intelligence. From lightning-fast Siri responses and voice transcription to advanced photo enhancements and smart replies, the iPhone is becoming more adaptive and intuitive. With 12 GB of RAM and a new vapor chamber cooling system, the Pro Max can handle intense workloads without breaking a sweat. Professional-grade video and photography. For the first time ever, all three rear lenses on an iPhone feature the same high-resolution 4.8MP sensor. This consistent quality means better dynamic range, sharper night shots, and superior results in any lighting condition. Night mode improvements now extend across all lenses, and Apple's updated Smart HDR ensures colors remain natural yet vibrant. One of the biggest highlights is the phone's ability to record in full 8000 at 30 frames per second. Add support for Dolby Vision and Apple's ProRes format, and content creators will have an incredibly powerful tool right in their pocket. The ultra-wide lens now includes enhanced macro capabilities, while the telephoto is rumored to support up to 10x optical zoom thanks to a new periscope-style lens system. Even the front-facing camera is getting an upgrade, reportedly moving to a sharper to 4MP sensor. Expect better selfies, clearer video calls, and faster facial recognition for smoother everyday use. Battery and charging, built to go further. Power users rejoice. Apple is finally stepping up battery life. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to include a massive 5000 mAh battery, the largest ever in an iPhone. Combined with iOS 26 and the energy-efficient A19 chip, this phone is designed to last all day, even under heavy use. Charging is also getting a serious boost. The updated MagSafe 3.0 system supports wireless charging speeds of up to 50 watts, making it one of the fastest cable-free options on the market. There's also reverse wireless charging, meaning you can use your phone to power up AirPods or another phone with just a touch. Lighter, stronger, and sleeker than before. Built with aerospace-grade titanium, the iPhone 17 Pro Max balances strength with portability. It's tough enough for real-world use while remaining impressively lightweight. On the front, thinner-than-ever bezels push the limits of screen-to-body ratio, giving users more screen without increasing bulk. The display is protected by a new ceramic shield ultra material, offering even better resistance to drops and scratches. A refreshed color palette includes a standout copper orange, plus shades like storm gray, titanium silver, midnight blue, and space black. All feature a smooth satin matte finish that feels luxurious and resists fingerprints. Smarter software with iOS 6. The iPhone 17 Pro Max launches alongside iOS 26, a software update designed with intelligence and speed in mind. It brings seamless integration across Apple's ecosystem, particularly with the Vision Pro headset. Using new ultra-wideband spatial features, users can move apps, media, and files between devices using gestures. Just point and swipe in the air. Apple Intelligence powers most of the new smart features. Expect AI-assisted messaging, calendar suggestions, and offline Siri commands that work instantly without needing a connection. Native support for third-party AI tools also opens doors for developers and creatives, letting users personalize their device like never before. Pricing and value: premium hardware and cutting-edge features come at a higher cost. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will carry a steeper price tag than its predecessor. Here's what early estimates suggest for the 256GB model: United States, $1,799, India, $155,000, United Kingdom, £1,340, Canada, CA $2,207, $1,750, UAE $6,600, United Arab Emirates, Dirhams, Singapore, SGD 1. It's clearly targeted at professionals and advanced users who want the absolute best in mobile performance, photography, and design. If you're using an iPhone 14 Pro or earlier, the 17 Pro Max offers a transformative upgrade in almost every way, from performance to camera technology and design. Even users with the iPhone 15 Pro Max might find the leap worthwhile thanks to the improved cooling, 8K video, smarter AI tools, and the all-48MP lens system. Meet the iPhone 17 Air, a new kind of iPhone alongside the Pro models. Apple is introducing the iPhone 17 Air. It's designed as a sleek, performance-focused phone for those who don't need all the bells and whistles of the Pro Max. Lighter, more compact, and stylish, the Air strikes a balance between power and portability. Its pricing is more accessible too, starting at United States, $899, India, $89,000, United Kingdom, £799, Canada, CA $1,250, Australia, $1,304, United Arab Emirates, Dirhams, Singapore, SGD. This positions it perfectly between the base iPhone 17 and the more expensive Pro models. Final take: Apple's biggest smartphone leap. Yet the iPhone 17 series isn't just an upgrade, it's Apple setting the tone for the future of mobile computing. With a reimagined design, powerful new hardware, smarter AI features, and options to suit both pro users and casual fans, Apple is raising the bar once again. Whether you're creating content, running a business, or just want the best tech experience available, the iPhone 17 Pro Max delivers like never before.